Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. In this video we are doing some sublimation. I'm going to be sublimating 3 shirts and for 2 of the shirts I'm going to be using 2 Midjourney photos. So I used Photoshop to edit up the Midjourney photos a little bit, just to take out the main section of the photo, and I took the background out. And I also used Photoshop to make the 3rd photo that I use. I designed a new Fallout shirt for my son, so that's going to be the 3rd shirt in this video. So once I've gotten the photos already in Photoshop, all done up the way I wanted them, I mirrored them so that they will go on the shirts properly. Once they were all ready, I printed out the 3 photos and got everything ready to put them on the shirts. Now for these shirts, I pressed them on at 400 degrees for 35 seconds. So the reason I got into Midjourney is because there was a few people on YouTube that were getting it using Midjourney, and they got my husband, What's Truth, into using Midjourney. I had another friend reach out to me because he knows that I make t-shirts. He reached out to me and showed me the Midjourney program and said this would be a good program to use. Maybe you could make a few really nice t-shirts with this program. I kind of brushed it off for a long while, like a couple of months. I think I brushed this program off. Everybody was using it, and then I started planning a Christmas live stream and started working with my husband, What's Truth, making AI art through Midjourney for my live stream. And that's when I really started to get into this Midjourney program, and I started to really see the potential in this program. So I just want to give a shout out to a few people. I'm going to put their links in the description of this video. Wandering Hippie, who got us into one of the reasons we got into Midjourney. I'm going to put What's Truth link in the description because he's been making so much art through this Midjourney program. So the 2 Midjourney photos, the first photo that I'm showing right here, this photo was done by my husband, What's Truth, through the Midjourney program. The second Midjourney shirt, that design was done by South Alabama. I'm going to put a link to his channel in the description as well and give him complete credit for that design he came out with. I absolutely love the design, so I thought it would look really nice on a t-shirt, and it turned out came out fantastic. And the 3rd image is the Fallout shirt that I took a couple characters from the Fallout game and designed that shirt, and I made that design and put it on a shirt as well. So here are the final results of the shirts that I made. They came out fantastic. I am loving sublimation. Let me know in the comments what your favorite shirt was out of the 3 shirts. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next video.